In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your trades on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you need to do is you must have a position, either an open one or a closed one, because you can share both positions which are closed and positions which are open. Now, once you do that, over here, you want to find your position. So, for example, this one, you want to right-click it and click on Share Position. After that, over here, as you can see, you can do a few things. You can give it some description. So, for example, I'm going to type in, hey, you can give it an online link description so we can change in your, of course, you can put in your online links. And then over here, you can set whatever you want to show on here on this image. It can be profit and loss. It can be the ROI percentage compared to margin, or it can be ticks. Now, after you select that, you can either download that or simply copy the link to it, and then you can basically share it with whoever you want. If you go to closed positions, exact same thing, right click, share position, and then you can do pretty much the exact same thing over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.